Welcome to UC first year students. Today let us study the syllabus of the collection of data. It is last syllabus. The question is match the following questions. It has 5 marks. Match the following questions. There are 5 questions. You have to match the 5 answers. First of all, I have written on the board the questions: personal interview, mailing questionnaires, telephone interview, pilot survey, census. These the questions you have to match the following. I will give options for you. You may tell the answers from these questions. I will give a of options. You choose the options for personal interview, mailing questionnaires, telephone interview, and pilot survey and census. And you have to choose the among the 4 options. I will give you among the 4 options which answers matching these questions you have to match. The first question, personal interview. Personal interview. I will give you the 4 options, 5 options. You have to choose. Personal interview, it covers every individual, pre-testing of questionnaire, cheaper or relatively low cost, loss of questionnaires, and more expensive. These are the options for you, and you have to choose the correct answers. Once again, the personal interview, more expensive, loss of questionnaires, cheaper or relatively low cost, free testing of questionnaires, and covers every individual. Which one answer? Which one answer? Will you tell? Will you say? The answer is personal interview. It has more expensive. It has more expensive. Your answer is more expensive. More expensive. Expensive. It has more expensive. Personal interview has more expensive. Your answer is more expensive. In second question, mailing questionnaire. Mailing questionnaire. I will give you the 5 options for you. More expensive, loss of questionnaires, cheaper and relatively low cost, pre-testing of questionnaire, covers every individuals. Once again, the mailing questionnaires, more expensive, loss of questionnaires, cheaper or relatively low, or pre-testing of questionnaire, and covers every individuals. Which answer is right? Mailing questionnaires. The answer is loss of questionnaire. Loss of questionnaire. Loss of questionnaire. Loss of questionnaire. Questionnaire. The answer is mailing questionnaires is the loss of questionnaire. And the third question is telephone interview. Telephone interview. Telephone interview. I will give you the 5 options for you. You choose the answer among the 4 question answers. First one is telephone interview is more expensive, loss of questionnaires, cheaper or relatively cost, and a pre-testing of questionnaires, and covers every individuals. Once again, telephone interview has more expensive. You have to choose correct answer for this question. Telephone interview has more expensive. Telephone interview has lots of questionnaires. Telephone interview has cheaper or relatively low cost. And telephone interview is pre-testing of questionnaires. Telephone interview covers every individuals. Which one answer is right? The answer is for this question cheaper or relatively low cost. Cheaper or relatively low cost. Relatively low cost. The answer is telephone interview. The answer is cheaper or relatively low cost. For telephone interview, it has a low cost. You are calling by say or minutes, seconds. It is a low cost. And fourth question is pilot survey. For pilot survey, I will give you the 4 options for you. Choose the correct answer for pilot survey. The one is pilot survey is more expensive. Pilot survey is loss of questionnaire. Pilot survey is cheaper or relatively low cost. And pilot survey free testing of questionnaire. And pilot survey covers every individuals. Which answer is right among these options? The answer is pre-testing of questionnaire. Pre-testing of questionnaire. Pre-testing of questionnaire. The answer is pilot survey is pre-testing of questionnaire. This is the answer for the pre-testing of questionnaire. What is pilot survey? Already I have explained in 1 marks in syllabus. Pilot survey, it is the pre-testing of questionnaire is the answer. And the last question is census. You have to match the following options. Census has the more expensive. Census have the loss of questionnaires. Census of cheaper or relatively low cost. Census pre-testing of questionnaire. Census covers every individuals. Which one answer is right among these questions or options? Your answer is more expensive or loss of questionnaires or cheaper or relatively low cost or free testing of questionnaires or every covers every individuals. Your answer is match the for this question covers every individuals. Covers answer is covers every individuals. These are the correct match. This is the 5-mark question. Match this match the question for answer. You keep remember match the following questions A to B. Personal interview, it is more expensive. Answer is right. Second, maybe questionnaires, it is a loss of questionnaires. And the telephone interview, it is a cheaper or relatively low cost. And pilot survey, it is a free testing of questionnaires. And census, it covers every individuals. Census, it covers every individuals. We have matched the following questions for answer. Keep remember in examinations this question will arise of anyone. Question can be asked the examinations. Keep remember till examinations you have to write as the following. Thank you, and I request you all, please subscribe my video or my channels. Don't forget, I will complete your second chapter, that is the collection of data. Thank you, one and all. Thank you and thank you.